We all sweat. It's natural. Sweat itself doesn't smell. It's a common misconception that sweat is the source of body odor. In reality, sweat is mostly water and salt, and on its own, it is odorless. However, the story changes when sweat interacts with the bacteria that live on our skin. But when sweat mixes with bacteria on our skin, it can lead to unpleasant body odor. These bacteria break down the sweat into acids, which are the real culprits behind the smell. This process is a natural part of our body's ecosystem, but it can sometimes be a bit too noticeable. This is especially true in our underarms, a warm and moist area where bacteria thrive. The underarm area provides an ideal environment for bacteria due to its warmth and moisture, making it a hotspot for odor production. Regular hygiene practices like washing and using deodorant can help manage this. Several factors can contribute to underarm odor. It's not just about hygiene. Other elements play a significant role. Understanding these factors can help us better manage and reduce the occurrence of unpleasant smells. These include genetics, diet, stress, and certain medical conditions. For instance, some people are genetically predisposed to have more active sweat glands or a higher concentration of certain types of bacteria. Diet also plays a crucial role. What we eat can influence how we smell. For example, eating spicy foods or onions can make your sweat smell stronger. Foods with strong odors can seep through your pores, adding to the natural scent of your sweat. This is why you might notice a stronger odor after a meal rich in spices or garlic. Understanding the root causes of underarm odor is the first step towards finding effective solutions. By identifying what triggers your body odor, you can take targeted actions to mitigate it. This might include dietary changes, stress management techniques, or medical consultations. By addressing these causes, we can minimize odor and regain our confidence. Taking proactive steps to manage underarm odor can lead to a more comfortable and confident lifestyle. Whether through better hygiene, dietary adjustments, or other methods, understanding and addressing the root causes is key. Many people turn to deodorants and antiperspirants to combat underarm odor. Deodorants mask the smell with fragrance. Antiperspirants block sweat glands to reduce sweating. However, conventional products often contain harsh chemicals. These chemicals can cause skin irritation, allergies, and may even disrupt our body's natural balance. Some studies suggest potential long-term health risks associated with certain ingredients. Fortunately, natural alternatives offer a gentler and safer approach to odor control. These alternatives work with your body, not against it. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, is a pantry staple with remarkable odor-fighting properties. This natural powerhouse has been used for centuries as a home remedy for various ailments. ACV's secret lies in its acidic nature. The acetic acid in ACV creates an environment that is inhospitable to odor-causing bacteria. It effectively neutralizes odor and keeps you feeling fresh. Unlike harsh chemicals, ACV is gentle on your skin and promotes a healthy microbiome. This makes it a safe and effective solution for long-term odor control. Numerous studies have confirmed the antimicrobial properties of apple cider vinegar. This humble kitchen staple has been used for centuries, not just in cooking, but also for its medicinal properties. Its ability to combat odor is rooted in its chemical composition, particularly the presence of acetic acid. Research shows that acetic acid can effectively kill a wide range of bacteria and fungi, including those responsible for body odor. When applied to the skin, apple cider vinegar lowers the pH level, creating an acidic environment that is inhospitable to many types of bacteria. This is particularly effective against bacteria that thrive in the warm, moist areas of the body, such as the underarms and feet. A 2014 study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that apple cider vinegar was effective in inhibiting the growth of Escherichia coli and Staphylococcus aureus, two common bacteria found on the skin. These bacteria are often responsible for unpleasant body odors as they break down sweat into malodorous compounds. By reducing the population of these bacteria, apple cider vinegar helps to prevent the formation of these odor-causing compounds. This makes it an excellent natural alternative to commercial deodorants, which often contain harsh chemicals and artificial fragrances. By targeting the root cause of odor, apple cider vinegar provides a natural and long-lasting solution. It can be easily incorporated into your daily hygiene routine. Simply dilute it with water and apply it to the skin using a cotton pad. This simple practice can help you stay fresh throughout the day without the need for synthetic products. It creates an environment where odor-causing bacteria cannot thrive, leaving you feeling clean and confident. Additionally, apple cider vinegar has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe the skin, making it suitable even for those with sensitive skin. So, the next time you reach for a deodorant, consider the natural power of apple cider vinegar. Section 5. Real-life transformations. Stories of success with apple cider vinegar. Countless individuals have experienced remarkable results using apple cider vinegar for underarm odor. This simple, natural remedy has transformed lives, providing a solution that is both effective and gentle on the skin. They have shared their stories, inspiring others to embrace this natural alternative. From social media posts to personal testimonials, the word is spreading about the benefits of apple cider vinegar. Sarah, a young professional, struggled with underarm odor for years. She tried countless deodorants, but none seemed to work without causing irritation. Frustrated with conventional deodorants that irritated her skin, she decided to try apple cider vinegar. She applied it daily, hoping for a change. "I was amazed by the results," she shares. "Not only did the odor disappear, but my skin felt healthier and smoother. The odor was gone, and my skin felt so much better." Sarah's confidence soared, and she no longer worried about underarm odor during her busy workdays. John, an athlete, found that apple cider vinegar helped him stay fresh even after intense workouts. He had always struggled with body odor after exercising, but this natural remedy changed everything. "I used to worry about body odor, but now I feel confident knowing that I have a natural and effective solution," he says. John now carries a small bottle of apple cider vinegar in his gym bag, ensuring he stays fresh no matter how hard he trains. These stories are just a few examples of how apple cider vinegar has made a difference in people's lives. Whether it's for personal hygiene or other health benefits, this natural remedy continues to gain popularity. The community of apple cider vinegar users is growing, with more and more people discovering its benefits. From reducing underarm odor to improving skin health, the possibilities are endless. If you're looking for a natural, effective solution for underarm odor, consider giving apple cider vinegar a try. You might just find yourself sharing your own success story. Beyond odor control, the benefits of apple cider vinegar extend far and wide. It's a versatile remedy with numerous health and beauty applications. ACV is known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it effective in treating skin conditions such as acne and athlete's foot. It can also help balance the skin's pH level, promoting a healthy and radiant complexion. Furthermore, ACV is a natural detoxifier that can aid digestion, boost metabolism, and even support weight management. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into your daily routine can have a positive impact on your overall well-being. Using apple cider vinegar for underarm odor is simple and convenient. Follow these easy steps for optimal results. First, dilute by mixing equal parts apple cider vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Next, apply by spraying the diluted solution onto your underarms after showering. Then allow it to dry completely before getting dressed. For best results, use this remedy daily. You can also apply it throughout the day as needed. While apple cider vinegar is generally safe for topical use, it's essential to use it with caution. Always dilute ACV with water before applying it to your skin. Undiluted ACV can be too acidic and may cause irritation. If you have sensitive skin, do a patch test on a small area of skin before applying it to your underarms. Discontinue use if you experience any discomfort or irritation. Remember, consistency is key. Using apple cider vinegar regularly will help maintain freshness and prevent odor. Underarm odor can be a source of embarrassment and self-consciousness, but it doesn't have to control your life. By embracing natural solutions like apple cider vinegar, you can take control of your body odor and live with confidence. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Millions of people experience underarm odor, and natural remedies like ACV offer a safe and effective way to address this common concern. Take the first step towards a fresher, more confident you. Try apple cider vinegar and experience the transformative power of nature. Your body will thank you.